Dear students, we are in continuation with the series of questions which is based on the motion in a straight line. Now here we have another numerical which is a bullet fired into a wooden block loses half of its velocity after penetrating 30 centimeter. It comes to rest after penetration of a further distance of this. Means if we go through this question, so simply if we see a bullet which is fired here and here it loses the, suppose its initial velocity is u, here its velocity becomes u by 2. Losses half of its velocity after penetrating 30 centimeter inside this. Okay, so it is u by 2 now, and it comes to rest after penetration of further distance. So we have to calculate this much distance. Okay, here it is penetrated 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Now if we go through this, it is totally based on the equation of motion. If we see v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now initially if we have taken the initial velocity that we have taken u. Okay. Now when it is penetrating and after penetration it is having a velocity u by 2, means the final velocity will be v, which is equals to u upon 2. So here if we take this u upon 2 square and it is minus u square, it is 2 into as. Now with the help of this we can determine the acceleration. So it is u square by 4 minus u square, which is equal to 2s, and if we go with this, u square minus 4u square upon 4, which is equal to 2as. So here we are having 3u square upon 8s, which is equal to a. The acceleration which we have got here, acceleration which is minus 3u square upon 8s. Now this acceleration, here we have got the velocity. Now here it is initial velocity when it is penetrating further, means from here to here, and here it is coming to rest. So final velocity over here at this point will be 0. So here we will take this u by 2 as the initial velocity. So it is u upon 2 square plus 2as. Now this distance we can assume s dash. This distance we can assume s dash from here to here. Okay. Now here u by 2 and this is your 0. So it is u square upon 4 2a s dash. Here we have not substituted the value of s, that is 30 centimeter, which is given to us. Okay. So finally we will substitute it. So it is u square. It is minus u square 4, this is your 8 into a, which is equal to s dash. Now we go through the final result, s dash. We have calculated the distance, the penetrated distance after penetration of 30 centimeter. So here we have this u square upon 8a. And we can substitute the value of acceleration from here. So what we have, this is minus u square upon 8 into a, that is minus 3u square upon 8 into s. Now this s dash, this s dash will be 8 to 8 cancel, u to u also cancel, and this minus and minus it will become plus. So finally it will go up and it is s upon 3. This minus and minus, it is plus. Now S which is given to us, that is the 30 centimeter. So 30 divided by 3 will give the final 10 centimeter. S dash which is going to be S 10 centimeter. B is the correct option. So here by using only a third equation of motion, we got the final answer. Here it is penetrating into the block, this bullet. Okay. And after penetration of 30 centimeter, it further moves. But during this, its velocity decreases to 1 by 2. Here it is u, and when it is entering into it, it is u by 2, and after that it becomes to rest, that is 0, final velocity. So by this way we can solve the numerical and ultimately MCQs also.